data science applications. The first program, see here, linear regression in Python code. I'm taking X value, I'm importing NumPy as NP, import matplotlib, that is pyplot as PLT, input data X NP dot array. I'm taking input values, I'm taking Y values, then calculate slope and intercept value, length of X, then B and A value. Then make a prediction for a given number of hours studied. So these are the data types. So if you study 2 hours, you will get 60 marks. If you study 3 hours, you will get 70 marks. Now I'm predicting 7 hours. Make a prediction for a given number of hours studied. If you study hours 7 hours, what is the value? Now I am going to demonstrate that one. Plot the data and regression line. Okay, so now I am executing. See here, go to command prompt, clear the screen. Now, so notepad space lr.py, linear regression. See, this is the program. Now I am executing this program, Python space linear regression lr.py. Okay, now see the output. See, I got 7 hours if you study. How many marks you are scoring? See, 7 hours if you study, you are getting very good percentage. Okay. So that is a prediction of linear regression. This is the graph we have generated. My graph is visible.
Yes, sir.
If you study 2 hours, 60 marks. 3 hours, 70 marks. 4 hours, 80 marks. 6 hours, 90 marks. Like that. 7 hours, 98 marks. So this is the graph I am generating. Next program. This is a linear regression for prediction of a future value. Next program to perform non-linear regression. So same program I'm using, define the polynomial function, import NumPy as NP. To perform nonlinear regression, we need to first define a function that represents the relationship between the input variable, that is called hours studied, and the output variable test score. We can use a polynomial function for this example. Y is equal to a plus, okay, bx plus cx square, where y is the predicted test score and x is the number of hours studied. A comma b and hash c are the coefficients that we do estimate. To estimate the coefficients, we can use the scipy dot optimize dot curve fit function. Here is the Python code. See here, I am using import NumPy as NP, scipy, define the polynomial function. I am defining the function, return that square. Define the input and output variables. So data, if you read 2 hours 60 marks, same in non-linear function, how we are going to execute. Estimate the coefficient and print the coefficient value. Now see the output. Now see, I am executing non-linear regression. Notepad space non-linear regression. This is the program, same program. Now Python space nlr.py. Now see the output value. See, I got the, if you study 4 hours, you are getting 100 marks. So this is the non-linear regression. Then third program, go to top 10, logistic regression. So same way, I'm taking X value, I'm taking the Y value, and input data hour studied, output data test scores, create a linear regression model, logistic regression model, and fit it to the data, linear regression, and this is a predict the test scores for a new set of hours.